Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can unblock your Hotmail emails. Keep watching the video till the end. To unblock your Hotmail emails, firstly open your Hotmail or Outlook application. The home page of Hotmail with the list of emails will appear on the screen. Tap on the Google sign at the top left corner of the screen. The list of options will pop up on the screen. Click on Junk option. The email that you have blocked will appear on the screen. Long press on the email that you want to unblock and tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Unblock Sender option to unblock the Hotmail emails. This is how you can unblock Hotmail emails quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.